This isn't too bright. I don't know why this is doing this, but so I've got my white house paint. I thinned it down a little bit so that I can spread it after I can do my tilting better. It seemed to work better for me. Okay. Oh, there's not much left. I may as well put it all in. Okay. So I'm going to use the same colors in the bloom that I just showed you. I put the green on the bottom. I put the purple on the bottom and then the green. So this time I'm going to put the green on the bottom and then the purple. I lost all my purple. There's not much showing in the other one there. I'm all done this green now. I'm going to put in some purple. This is mixed with my base, deep base. And some Liquitex varnish. Took a lot of paint to get to this point, but the next time I make a batch up, I think I'll try a different varnish. We'll see. It takes consistency and practice. This one is, I think, semi-transparent. It's a very pretty pink. Now, my topper, this is white Grumbacher titanium white mixed with floetrol and linseed oil. So I'm going to use all of this. And that's that done. Now, the way I've got my camera, I hope you can see me blow this now. Put this paint away. This is two types of paint that I mixed together with it's got no linseed oil in it. Okay, I'm going to try and blow with my breath. Then I'll use a straw. Oh, that didn't make any cells. Let that settle back down. Last time I did that, I got cells. Figures my nicest one comes out when I didn't record it. All right, I'm just gonna, that all came back. I layered these paints a bit different. I shouldn't have, if I wanted it the same as that one, but we'll see how this one comes out. Whoa. How that came out. I did it fast there. And it came out into this part. This was slower and it stayed at the beginning. I'll try it faster here. Whoa, that was too fast. Whoa. That was a little bit too hard there. Okay, I'm going to turn it down so you can see it more. I hope you can see this okay. I might have to hold it up. Maybe I'll move it up higher. Maybe I need to get some curtains. Anyway. I'll roll this one more time here, and then I'll stretch. Oh, that was too much. I'll let that settle back down, and then I'm going to stretch it. I'll hold it up closer, maybe that's a bit less glary. And then I go this way. Then I go this way. Actually, I'll go this way. Bring it back. And then I'll go this way. And I bring it back again. getting there. Okay, I'm back. My phone rang. I forgot to put it on airplane mode. But look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. So I'm going to take my other one that I did the same colors and put it beside. This one doesn't have a video, but this one does. I am so happy with this one. Thank you for watching. And yes, I'll put the dried result at the end. Okay, have a great day, everybody. Come back soon to my art room. Bye-bye.